We're going to show you some just really pretty fabrics this morning. This first is a cotton poly, and it has incredible drape. It has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly knit. There is a flaw in it, so I'm doing it at $9.99. You'll probably need twice as much yardage. It runs all the way through. It's just at the bottom. It's not a big deal to avoid. See, there it is. But so we're putting up at $9.99. The reason I'm putting it up is because it's just beautiful fabric. You just cannot, discard it. Anyway, this next one is 100% linen. It just goes beautiful with black. I wanted to see her. I've got a wine here. 100% linen. This is a woven, and again, just a beautiful piece of fabric. Oh, lovely, lovely. This is 100% cotton. It's almost hard to believe that fabric this pretty can be 100%. But it is. It's a beautiful wine. A little bit of brown tone in it, but incredible drape. So I'm kind of gearing in for the pattern of the month. So it'd be a beautiful jacket, $9.22, or any jacket, but then pants to match. Just be a lovely combination. Then we have, this is a 100% viscose. It's a beautiful pattern and a beautiful twill. It's got enough rust in it that it'd really blend well with this wine, or else if you wanted to take it to the black, and I did a black to go with it. But this is a woven, and it's a viscose. And then we've got, this is 100% cotton. This is very lightweight fabric. I'm hoping you can see how lightweight it is. Almost, it's like a tiny mini pleated sheer. It has stretch. I think it's because of the pleating, but it works well as a stretch. It'd be great for like a little Josie's top, a little wrap. It's just pretty, or a little lightweight blouse. Either one would be really pretty. 100% cotton. And then this is a panel. This is a viscose twill. The panel goes from the border, goes along the edge here, and then each panel is about 1 yard. But just beautiful. And then I put the black with it so that you'd have options of those bottoms. Isn't that pretty? Just a beautiful piece of fabric. All right, so there you have it. Monday morning 100%ers. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.